Are you struggling to grow your email list? Are you frustrated because your lead magnets aren't getting any downloads? What if I told you that a simple PDF to turn a random visitor into a loyal fan or even a paying customer? Sounds crazy, right? Stick with me and I'll show you how to make it all happen in 4 easy steps. Oh, and I've got a tool that'll make the whole process super simple. So let's dive in and start with step number 1. First things first, your lead magnet has to solve a real problem for your audience. If it's not valuable, no one is going to want it. Think about the biggest pain points your audience faces. What's something they wish they had a shortcut for? For example, if you're in the fitness niche, instead of a generic healthy eating guide, try something more specific like 5 quick and easy meals for fat loss. Do you see the difference there? People want quick wins, not fluff. Take a second and think. What's one thing your audience constantly struggles with? If you're unsure which lead magnet is the best fit for your audience, drop magnet ideas in the comments and I'll send you a guide that will make the decision super easy for you. Now, if you're staring at a blank page thinking, where do I even start? Don't worry. AI tools like ChatGPT and Gemini can help you generate content ideas in no time. Just plug in your topic, ask for an outline or some key points, and you'll be set. Comment down below lead magnet prompt if you would like a simple prompt that you can enter into ChatGPT or Gemini in order to get a lead magnet idea. Now that you've got your topic, let's talk format. Not all lead magnets are created equal. The best ones are easy to consume and quick to provide value. And here are a few go-to options. Checklists, they're perfect step-by-step guides. Cheat sheets, they're condensed and they contain high impact info. Templates, they save people time by giving them the done-for-you solution. Mini ebooks, they're short, actionable guides, but keep it under 10 pages. Have you ever downloaded a lead magnet that just felt like a waste of time? You don't want that to happen to your audience. So the key is to keep it short, punchy, and valuable. All right, let's get this thing done. No fancy software needed, just open up Google Docs and create a new document. Click on New Document, and boom, there's a blank page. Simple, no headaches, and it auto-saves so you don't have to lose your progress. And here's how I like to format my lead magnets. The first thing you need is a solid title at the top of the page. You want to make it clear and enticing. Something like the ultimate checklist for creating a high-converting lead magnet works well. Make it bold and make it large enough that it stands out. Break your content into sections with clear headings. Use the built-in styles in Google Docs to ensure your headings are consistent and easy to read. This helps with both the flow of information and makes your PDF look more professional. Now it's time to get to the meat of your lead magnet. When writing the body of the document, use bullet points and numbered lists. This makes your content scannable and easy to digest. For example, if you're creating a checklist, number each item so your readers can check them off as they go. Keep paragraphs short. We don't want big blocks of text here. Short, punchy paragraphs make your content more engaging and easier for your audience to follow. Sometimes a well-placed image can make the point clearer, or just break up the text to make it easier on the eyes. Google Docs makes it easy to insert images directly into your document. Google Docs doesn't offer fancy design features, but you can still make your document stand out. Bold text, italics, and underlining or spacing. And then you also want to add your branding. Insert your logo at the top or at the bottom of the document. You can do this by going to Insert and then go to Image and then upload it directly from your computer or Google Drive. You also want to use your brand colors. So use your brand colors for the headings or the accents. You can highlight the text and you can change the font color in the toolbar. Just be sure not to overdo it. Keep it professional and clean. Then at the end of your document, include a strong CTA. It could be a link to one of your social media pages or a landing page to a course or even another product. Make it stand out with a bold button-like design. You can even use emojis to draw attention. For example, get your free template here. Once you're happy with your lead magnet, you're ready to turn it into a PDF. And this is super easy. All you have to do is go to File, Download, PDF document, and boom, you got yourself a professional polished PDF ready to be shared with your audience. With these simple steps, you have a high quality, easy to create lead magnet that not only looks great, but is also packed with value. And the best part, you don't need a degree in graphic design to make it happen. Now, if you want a more polished lead magnet, but you don't want to mess around with complicated design software, there's a shortcut and it's called Lead Creator. This tool is specifically designed to create lead magnets. Let me show you exactly how I use this tool to save time and boost my conversions. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on create new lead magnet. Then I'm going to give it a name, something that makes it clear. Then I'm going to pick a category. I can choose from a PDF, a mini guide, a cheat sheet, or a checklist. I could also choose a template. Lead Creator has some really solid options like a listicle, a YouTube video summary, and an ebook creator, or just a raw chat GPT prompt for full creative control. And here's what sold me: unlimited lead magnets. Most landing page tools cap you off at about 2 or 3 before making you upgrade to their next package. But with Lead Creator, there are no limits. You can create a unique lead magnet for every piece of content you put out, and it doesn't matter if it's blog posts, social media updates, YouTube videos, it covers all of it. And you don't have to rely on a generic catch-all lead magnet. Instead, each one is targeted to the exact topic my audience just saw. That makes a huge difference when it comes to converting viewers into leads. Okay, for this demo, I'm going to go with the raw ChatGPT prompt to show you exactly what this tool can do. First, I'm going to start with a basic prompt, like create a 3-point document for a lead magnet on how to grill the most flavorful and juicy burgers on a charcoal grill. From here, I have a few ways to fine-tune the output. Personas. Want your content to sound like Gary Vee, Neil Patel, or Ann Hanley? You can choose from well-known marketers to shape the writing style. This option is available only on the Ultra plan though. Then you have the tone of voice. Do you want it to be formal, or maybe casual, or persuasive? You can pick the tone that best fits your audience. Then you have the point of view. Here you can decide if you want the content to be written in the first, second, or third person. You also have the option to add an intro and a conclusion. The next part here is negative words filter. If you ever notice AI generated content overusing words like wither, game changer, or crucial, this tool lets you block certain words so the final version sounds more natural. And then you have the language and the reading level. You can adjust the output to match your audience's preferred language and reading style. Once everything is set, I hit create, and within minutes I have a fully written draft, something that would normally take hours to put together. Of course, I always go through and make a few tweaks, add clear headings and bullet points to improve readability. I cut out any unnecessary fluff to keep it focused and valuable, and I inject a little personality to make it more engaging. That's it. Quick, effective, and ready to go. Now, let's make it look a little bit more polished. You can add your logo, you can use your brand colors, and keep everything visually consistent. A few small touches here and there go a long way in making your lead magnet look professional and on brand. Now, let's make sure people actually get it. What is the easiest way? You can use an email marketing tool like GetResponse or system to automate delivery. When someone signs up on your landing page, their information will be sent to your autoresponder and they'll get an instant email with a PDF. No manual sending required. But here's the catch. While this method works, it's a bit more involved. You'll need to set up a landing page, an email capture form, connect it to an email autoresponder, and craft the email with a link to your PDF. Oh, and don't forget to create an email sequence for follow-up. If you want to skip all those extra steps, use a shortcut like Lead Creator. Here's how it simplifies the process. With Lead Creator, you don't need a separate landing page. The lead magnet itself serves as the landing page. In the editor, you can easily add an email capture form, customize the fields like title, name, and email, and even change the button text and colors to match your brand. Lead Creator lets you choose when the email capture form appears. You can set it to display after a set amount of time, or a half-page blur, or once the user starts to scroll. This helps keep people engaged and boosts your chances of a conversion. It's super easy to connect your autoresponder with Lead Creator using just an API key. Once you're connected, you can tag your leads and save your settings with one click. One of the best features is the instant PDF download feature. This kicks in after someone enters their email. They will then be able to download your PDF immediately. No waiting for follow-up emails. And what makes Lead Creator so effective is that it doesn't rely on the typical bland landing page with just some simple email capture form. Instead, people get a sneak peek of your lead magnet, making them much more likely to enter their info and keep engaging. Plus, it handles everything in one place, saving you time and effort. And if you're into tracking, Lead Creator also lets you easily integrate Google Analytics to see how well your lead magnet is performing. Now that you know how to create a simple PDF lead magnet, the real question is, how are you going to use it to grow your business? Drop a comment down below and tell me what kind of lead magnet you plan on making. And if you want to see a real example of a lead magnet, check out the comments. I left a link there. And I'll see you in the next one.